LIC's New Jeevan Anand is one of the most popular policies in India. This policy provides whole life cover, high bonus amount, and great liquidity options. What does whole life cover mean? Most of the insurance policies provide life cover only during the term of the policy. Some of them also provide a lump sum payment at the end of the term, but they do not provide life cover after the term. New Jeevan Anand is the only policy that covers you even after the term is over. This policy gives you life cover during the term, returns a lump sum payment at the end of the term, and continues to provide cover throughout your life. Now let's look at the policy's bonus amount and liquidity options. LIC allocates a portion of its profits to New Jeevan Anand policyholders as bonus. So you get a high bonus component in addition to your sum assured. Also, if for some reason you really need money in between, you have the option of taking a loan on your policy or even surrendering it. Here is a real life example. Ramesh is a 25-year-old who runs a kirana shop. He has taken a 10 lakh New Jeevan Anand policy for a period of 25 years. His yearly premium amount is around 46,300 rupees. Let's look at what Ramesh paid and what he gets back during his lifetime. For a 25-year policy, Ramesh paid a total premium of 11.4 lakhs. At the end of the policy term, Ramesh gets a total of 26.75 lakhs, which includes 10 lakhs of sum assured and 16.75 lakhs of bonus. Also, since this is a whole life policy, Ramesh's family will get an additional 10 lakhs when he dies in his old age long after the policy term. Now let's look at another case. Suppose something unfortunate happens to Ramesh during the policy term itself. His family gets a minimum of 12.5 lakhs plus all applicable bonuses. Thus, the minimum life cover is around 13 lakhs and this can go up to 29.25 lakhs near the end of the premium term. If Ramesh wants to, he can also add an extra 10 lakhs of accidental death and disability cover for just another 1,000 rupees of additional premium. Thus, New Jeevan Anand is great both as an investment and as a lifelong risk cover. Reach out to your insurance advisor to know more.